Give me it. Hey.
Are you satisfied
Yes.
this morning?
Give me the video.
We had an amazing time last night.
Would you lie anymore? Give me the video.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Give me the video. Let me look at you.
This is our first night together. What do you think? Pretty large and in charge, huh?
Would you just give me that video? Let me see it.
It's our first night together here on.
Would you give me that?
There's Coolio.
Hey, look at me. Give me it. Give me. Oh, God, I have my clothes on.
Look. Let's make this video. Come on.
Let me make it. Let me see it.
Turn it down. Turn it over. Let's see this.
Would you?
Let's see what you're working with.
I want you to quit.
I want to videotape some areas
That we get improve.
that I gotta penetrate.
Give me the video. Look at your hair. Oh, you like it to pose. You gay, are you? You look at you. You're so lovely. You love the limelight, don't you?
What?
Look at your bonza.
I'm really vain.
Yes, I see. What are you
I'm
doing?
really veiny down there.
You're really vain.
What are you doing now? Taking a picture of the ceiling?
No. Hold on, I'm going to take a picture of you. Hold on.